Yo. So today we're heading back over to G's to go and finish off hopefully the Team Cute kit on his BMW Compact. And we're heading over in the trusty Honda Civic, which is not starting. Yeah. We'll see you over there. There's G. Where is he? Totally was filming beforehand.
Were you?
Yeah, totally was filming beforehand, like for the past like 5-10 minutes, and didn't click the wrong button or anything like that. Yeah, so G, I heard that you hoovered this.
It's been April here.
It's looking so much cleaner though.
I know, man. It looks filthy, but like, there's less rubber shit floating about. I need to get that proper scrub, man. Like, there's so much shit. There's like oil stains and like. Pretty sure this is all like brake cleaner.
I know some people will be like, but that's still dirty, but trust me, this is like...
This boggled me, let's be honest. But it's like so much better than it was.
Yeah, there was like, in here, it was like up to here with like D-lam and tyres.
And like lots of stones because there's like so many holes in the car.
So,
Yeah, it's pretty boggled.
yeah, for anyone who likes cleaning videos and stuff. Hey! Look at this barn find. Today we found this BMW Compact, yeah. And just have a smell, mate.
Ah.
Damn. So now that we're back with coffee, first plan is get the car jacked up, get the wheels off, and get ones which have some tyre left on them. And that is the plan. And then we get on to the Team Cute kit, which is over here. Damn, son.
Something that I need to do, led there by the notes which trickle through, and it leads me there, winding but kind of perplexed by the old stairs, pulling back the sides to breathe. I could decide it was easy to.
So these are the new ones going on, which are pretty much, I think they're the same, exact same wheels. These are silver rather than the kind of gunmetal. They're on these, and they have tread.
And that's true. My heart will be broken if I wait here unspoken for long. But it's on.
So G, you want to explain how easy these skirts are to take off? Simple and nice and easy this was.
Oh yeah. I mean, look at that.
Oh, you've got the Vertex vented flare. Ooh,
Look at me.
damn. Team Blue Monkey.
Just came through.
A little bit of trimming. So we're now on to the last part of the kit, the rear bumper. So what we need to do is be taking off the rear half cut, which is already on it, and we can mock it up against this and also see how much we need to cut off. As you can probably see, the sides of this are much larger than the sides of the compact bumper, so there's going to be a fair amount of trimming. But everything else is on. Both side skirts are now on. on each side. We also have, as I said, the front bumper done as well. So we just need to mock everything up on this. So get that off, mock everything up on this, and then we're sorted.
Yes, fit.
Yeah. So we're just going to follow the line of this.
If I can, in the dark. Good.
And damn, this looks good. That rear end looks so sick. Yeah, so we're back a couple of days later. The BMW Compact is now lowered as well at the rear. It's looking so much better with the fitment as it is. Obviously still got other wheels to go on it, but wanted to get some shots of it in the daylight as well, just to show off the rear bumper, the skirts fitted now, and how the full kit is looking with the roof rack as well. It looks fucking so sick.